Welcome to Differentiation Part 3, Len x. In this video, we will be looking at differentiation of the natural log len of x. And what we need to remember is that len x and e to the power of x are inverses of each other. So if you watched the previous video, Part 2, about e of x, you could actually use that to prove how we use the derivative rule for len of x. So the general differentiation rules for len of x are the following. d dx of len of x is equal to 1 over x, and d dx of len of u is equal to 1 over u times u dash, which is equal to u dash over u. Or you could say d dx of len of u is equal to d du len u times du dx, which is equal to 1 over u times du dx. And just like the e to the power of x, this is also the chain rule. So we are multiplying the two derivatives of the inner function as well as len function to each other. The first example of this is going to be d dx of len, and in brackets, x squared plus 5. So we now have two functions, len and x squared plus 5. And that would be equal to d dx of len u, which is equal to u dash over u. And in this case, u is equal to x squared plus 5 in len, and u dash is equal to 2x. So it is 2x over x squared plus 5. Second example is d dx of len, in brackets, x squared plus 3x plus 1, which is equal to d dx len u, and u is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 1, and len u dash is equal to 2x plus 3. So u dash over u is then equal to 2x plus 3 divided by x squared plus 3x plus 1. The third example is d dx len, and in brackets, 2x cubed, which is equal to d dx len u, and that is equal to u dash over u, where u is equal to 2x cubed and u dash is equal to 6x squared. So that is equal to 6x divided by divided by 2x cubed, and the x's can cancel each other out, and 6 divided by 2 will give you 3 over x. The last example is d dx of ln in brackets 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3, which is equal to d dx of ln u, and u is equal to 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3, so u dash would equal 6x squared plus 10x. So back to the derivative, u dash over u is just equal to 6x squared plus 10x divided by 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3. So hopefully with this you realize you just need to find u and u dash. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more differentiation.